Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 6-person hot tub, type S1 Cartridges, 6-pack, and LED light. After a long day of work, relax and indulge yourself in the Intex PureSpa portable hot tub. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa, and you can adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. This package will also include a 6-pack of Intex PureSpa Type S1 pool filter cartridges, 12 filters total, and Intex PureSpa battery LED light for bubble spa. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Intex PureSpa battery LED light for bubble spa. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.